Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are very good. Student, today I will teach you microorganism. In microorganism, we have already discussed about the harmful microorganism. Harmful microorganism. Student, before the study of the harmful microorganisms, but student, I have completed the harmful microorganism and viruses in the human being. And student, as you know, what is the pathogens? The disease causing microorganism is called pathogens. In the other names, pathogens also called the germs. But how can these germs are enter in the plants, animals or human being? There are different ways: through air, through water, okay, through food, through insects. So these are categorized into the two ways, two methods, that is direct and indirect. But student, before the study of the harmful microorganism, there are some oral questions are given in your book. So first of all, open your book. Chapter number 2, microorganisms and viruses, friends and foes. Okay student, class 8, subject science. In science, biology section, biology. Okay, topic: before the study of the harmful microorganism, solving some oral question of chapter 2. Okay, what is the date today? Student, 17 of July 2020. Okay student, I hope you are all open your book. You know student, the book which are in your class 8 is the Prachi. Okay, Prachi publication. This is the old book, but in the new session this is the continuous. Okay, this is the second page and this is the back side of the book. Okay, so open the book for solving some oral question. I will also open because for the reading of the some books and solving questions. Student, open the page number 25. Oral question. Oral questions of page number 25. Okay, and ready for written the answer in the front of question in the book, in your textbook, with the help of pencil. Don't use the pen. Don't use any pen. Use a dark pencil. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1 is: name the scientist who first observed microscopic plants and other organisms with the help of a microscope. You know student, the first scientist who discovered microscope and also discovered some microscopic plants and animal was Leeuwenhoek. L-E-E-U Okay, student. Write the spelling of Leeuwenhoek. In page number 22, this is given the microscope. N.T. von Leeuwenhoek, L-E-E-W-E-N, please wait. Write the full name. Anton von Leeuwenhoek, L-E-E-U-W-E-N-H-O-E-K. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, the first scientist which discovered a microscope and also discovered the microscope plants and animals. Now open the page number 25. Question number 2. Where are the microorganisms found? Student, microorganisms are found everywhere. Everywhere in all types of habitat. E-V-E-R-Y, everywhere. Okay. Bracket में in air, water and soil. Right. The answer number 3. By what name is the hard outer covering in microorganism called? You know, student, microorganisms are enclosed in the hard covering that is called cyst. S-Y-S-T, cyst. Okay. 4. Which types of microorganisms live in colonies? You know, students, some microorganisms are living in free state and some are living in the colonial form. Some fungi and bacteria are live in the colonial form. B-A-C-T-E, bacteria. Don't write the full sentences, write only the small word. 5th. What is the name of the virus which uses bacteria as its hosts? What is the name of the virus which uses bacteria as its hosts? You know, student, when virus live in the bacterial cells and eat them, means take their food from the bacteria, this is called the bacteriophage. Here the space, B-A, bacteriophage. Phage means eating bacteria, viruses is called bacteriophage or bacteriophage. Okay, write down the answer in your textbook. Okay, student, I am giving some seconds. Now, student, proceed continuously. The next page number 29. There are some more oral questions are given in page number 29 also. Okay, open the page number 29 in your textbook. After this completing the oral question answer, I will start the harmful microorganism in plants and in animals. You know, student, microorganisms very harmful for the plants, human and animals. Okay. So first of all, solve some oral questions in between the topics. Page number 29. Question number 1. Question number 1. Name the microorganism that promotes the formation of curd. You know, student, a bacteria, this is called lactobacillus, which convert the milk into the curd. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus. BACTE, bacteria. Okay. Second, arachidin is responsible for the making of the cheese. Arachidin bacteria. Okay, student. Lactobacillus promote the formation of curd from milk. Second, name the antibiotics. Name the antibiotic and the source discovered by Alexander Fleming. Student, you know, in your microorganism topic, Alexander Fleming is the first scientist who discovered the antibiotics. Alexander Fleming. You know, you can also see in the page number page number 27. They are the given some sentences about the do you know. Antibiotics first discovered by the Alexander Fleming. Okay, student. So write down the answer. So first discovered by Alexander Fleming was penicillin. Penicillin. From which bacteria? This is discovered by the Penicillium notatum. By Penicillium notatum. Write down. Notatum. Third, what is the enzymatic breakdown of large organic molecules into smaller ones in the absence of air called? You know, student, this is the definition of fermentation. Fermentation is done in the absence of air. In the absence of air. Suppose sugar break down in the ethyl alcohol or alcohol. Okay? In the absence of air. Fourth, fermentation. Fermentation is, name the microorganism which is capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. You know, student, some bacteria and algae are responsible for the fixation of the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrogenous forms. Some blue, green algae and symbiotic bacteria. You know, this is symbiotic bacteria are found in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. Name Rhizobium. Rhizobium. Symbiotic bacteria, which is responsible for the fixation of the atmospheric nitrogen into the nitrates in the soil, which are absorbed by the plants or trees for the formation of the protein. Okay, student. Now the next and last question of this page, that is page number 29. Name the microorganism that degrades animal dung in the absence of air. Name the main products of this degradation. You know, student, the anaerobic bacteria which break down the animal dung. Hive and aerobic bacteria is responsible for the breakdown of the cow dung into the which gas? You know, student, this is the done in the absence of air, but it is not the fermentation. It is the breakdown of the organic material into the simpler form, that is the gas form. You know, cow dung converted into biogas, which is used by as the fuels. Okay, student, write down the answer. And your next oral question are given in the page number 34. Open the page number 34 immediately. Okay. If you have completed the all answer, so ignore this. Otherwise, write down the all answer in the textbook. Given in the page number 34. Open page number 34. You can compare or tally all the answer. Name a disease caused by virus in human being. Student, there are various diseases are caused by the human being through the virus. Okay, chicken pox, smallpox, polio, AIDS. There are so many diseases. Write down only one disease, polio. Poliomycetes. Full name is poliomycetes. Second, name the causative microorganism for diarrhea. Diarrhea is caused by the bacteria. BACTE, bacteria. Okay, bacteria by the, what is the mode of transmission? Through air and through food. Okay. Third, name a communicable disease transmitted through air. Communicated disease means diseases spread from one person to the another person by the air or water or direct body contact. So there are so many diseases, suppose leprosy, tuberculosis, okay, skin diseases. So write down only one, tuberculosis. TUBERCULOSIS, tuberculosis. And fourth question, name a non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are that disease which are not spread from the one person to the another person. You know, student, like diabetes, hypertension. These types of diseases are generated in the only one person, not spread from person to person. That is means from infected person to the healthy person. So write down any one disease, diabetes. Okay, student, write down diabetes. You can write down cataract. This is the visual disease which is found in the human eyes. Okay, cataract. And fifth answer is, what are the insects and other animals which carry the disease causing microorganisms from one place to the another called? What are the insects and other animals? You know, student, They are the indirect carriers which spread the diseases from one person to the another person. This is called carriers. CARRIER, carriers. That is also called vector. Suppose cockroach, mosquitoes, and there are some others, rats, birds, spread the diseases from person to person. This is called carriers. This is called carriers. Okay, student? And now your time is over. Write down the homework. Learn all oral question answer solved in today's online class. Okay, write down. Learn all oral question answer solved in today's online class. Okay, student? I hope you will learn all the oral question answer. Okay? And practices in your rough copy. So, thank you for your cooperating. Have a good day. Thank you.